Hello everyone, welcome to Entertain, Educate, Inspire Baguio City. So, it's a little gloomy. It might rain again this afternoon. We are here in Middle Quarry. We're gonna go to the grocery and we're gonna go there again to Camp Allen. We're just gonna walk, or I'm not sure if there's a jeep. We will ride jeep. So, thank you for watching as always. More blessings to all of us. Let's go. Welcome to our beautiful Baguio City, Philippines. I always bring my eco bag to save money. And at this time of year, it always rain here in Baguio, so you must have a pink umbrella. I just borrowed it. Anyways, let's go. Okay, we are now here. Nag-jeep ako. Mag-grocery lang tayo. Maharlika. Okay, just finish doing a little grocery. Uwi na tayo. Camp Allen. Ay, dito na tayo sa palengke, going to Upper Market and Camp Allen. So let's rest a little, so we will be going up there again. Okay, we're going home. Anyways, this video contains affiliate products, authentic Ray-Ban. It will redirect you to the official Ray-Ban shop. So buy from my link, or from the icon, product icon of this video, and thank you. More blessings to all of us. Happy Independence Day, everyone. June 12, 2026. Okay, it's 12 o'clock. And this is my son, Ru. Ipa-barbershop ko siya, barbershop. Pagupit. School na nila eh. Ru! Okay, dark clouds na. 2:30 in the afternoon. We're going home. We're gonna go to the grocery again. And I think we're gonna ride jeep. Dark clouds. It's gonna rain. We need to move fast. Okay, palengke na tayo. Daan muna tayo ng ukay-ukay.
Ito tayo sa amin kasi tayo pag-ugal na ito. Di ba niya? Maglalapos kayo lang. Different ka pa yun. Masakal na kamay siya.
Okay, it's already raining. Ako na burger and cheese. Jeep na tayo. We'll ride that quarry. Okay, we are already home. Okay, we are home. Dito na tayo, Sunshine Bake Shop na burger buns. And then CDO ulam burger. And then egg and cheese. So, let's cook. Tapos kakain pa tayo ng beef caldereta with rice. Okay, ito na yung burger patty. And then, ito yung beef caldereta. Okay, it's looking good. Okay na to. CDO. Umuulan pa. Okay, this is our beef caldereta.
Nyati ko agam dito eh.
Basta nakabidyo nito.
Haan nyati pisulok ngay numalpas. Bahaanan.
Sakbahanan.
Oh, sige.
Get a little patty. Tapos yung ating egg and cheese. Ooh. Okay. Okay, hello everyone. Nandito tayo sa Kamungaw Accounting Firm. So, ito. Yung burger natin. Let's try. Simple lang, pero okay. Beef caldereta. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us.